Now then, we're looking at solving equations with variables on both sides. That means the letter appears on both sides of the equals. So the key to this is to compare either side of the equals and see what's different about them. So you're finding the difference between the two. So if I look at this first one, if I compare the x bits first, alright, what can I say about the difference between the x bits, alright, on each side? Well, there's one more on the left hand side. So that extra x, alright, okay, I've got an extra x. I'm not doing anything with the -1. I'm not doing anything with the a. I've got an extra x, all right, on the left-hand side. Now, some of you may want to think, if I put this working in green, that's the equivalent of taking 2x away from both sides, all right? Same sort of thing, but I'm looking there. I've got one extra x, and that's where this has come from here. That extra x is on the left-hand side. Now, I've got a nice, easy equation to solve, haven't I? So x has got to be something -1 makes 8, so x has got to be 9. Now again, you can do that as a +1 to both sides. That's absolutely fine. Now then, second one, I'm going to do exactly the same sort of process. I'm going to compare the n bits. Now you've got to be really careful here because I've got -2n and I've got 3n. So there's an extra 5 n's, alright, on the right hand side, because 3 is 5 bigger than -2, isn't it? Now again, if I was to show my workings there, I would say I'd be adding 2n to both sides, alright? If I then go, well, 5n take away 1 makes 9, so what take away 1? So 5n has got to be equal to 10, right? Again, if I'm showing my working, I'm going to be adding 1 to both sides, and then if 5n's are 10, 1n has got to, I'm going to change it around now, 1n has got to be 2. Again, if I'm showing my workings, I'm dividing by 5. Alright, so key here is comparing either side of the equals. Make sure you get all your workings down. That's what you get marks for.